live commentary as we're walking into a waterfall. It's gonna be a wet one. Man, it's a big lad. That's what she said. Ooh. Looks quite slippery here. Watch the step up here. Alright. So where's the chest? I was promised a chest. If I go behind a waterfall, there should be a chest. I hate Iceland. Okay, not actually. At least for now. Random water drops right here. There it is. I am drenched. Oh. Holy guacamole. Holy fish sticks. Yeah. Okay, back up we go. Yeah, right when it gets to the edge. Holy goodness. Yes, sir. It is very wet. Luckily, I got a lot of rain stuff on it, so I am fine. Or am I? Well, I'll see you on the other side, everybody. It's been nice. Oh, it's right here just a second ago. Come on. No, I'm a simple man. I just want the waterfall to drop on me. If I go over there, it'll be better. There we go. Thank God my shoes are waterproof.